Why, you may ask? Why would you want to learn anything about search engine optimization? Would you like more people to come to your website? SEO done right heightens your visibility in search results, bringing you more visitors who literally are looking for what you offer. Interested? Let me show you how simple it is. First, let's create a new post. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Posts, Add New. Now I want to embed one of my YouTube videos in this post, so I'm going to go to the video on YouTube, click the share button, click on embed, and copy that code. Now back in the editor, be sure to click over to the text tab and paste the code in there or it won't work. Then you can go back to the visual editor. The title of this blog is How to Install WordPress in 2 minutes. I supplied YouTube with a transcript of this video for closed captioning, and I'll paste that in here, but I don't want to use it word for word, so I'll be changing that. For now, I'll paste in the copy and save the draft. Since this is my first post on this site, I will add a category or two. See WordPress, add new category. Make sure it's checked and uncheck any that don't apply, such as uncategorized here. I'll also add installation, make the parent category WordPress, and I will add the tag install WordPress and cPanel hosting, since that's what the video is about. So let's work with Yoast now. Focus key phrase, install WordPress. For the description, I'll probably use a copy from the beginning of the post. Let's scroll up there. Oh, I'll remove this part and put the keyword title instead. Make it an H2. I will link this because outgoing links are good SEO. That reminds me. I need to add a new subcategory under WordPress for cPanel hosting, which is what I always recommend. I'll take part of this sentence for the SEO meta description. All right, let's check our score so far. Red means not optimized at all, orange means I could do better, and green is good to go. Under readability, it's telling me what's right and what's not good enough. Right now it's telling me that I have good readability, active voice, variety in sentences, no paragraph is too long, etc., etc. It's also telling me that my subheading distribution needs work. Text longer than 300 words needs separating, so I'll add those. Let's see. I'll add one here before we get into the actual process. H2. Green is good. Under SEO Analysis, it tells me there are no images, no internal links, description is too short. I left that a lot. Let's fix that. I'll add, it's as easy as that. And not quite. Change the lead in. And there we go. That works. As for images, I'm thinking the image on the video is all I want, but I will set a featured image and add my keywords in the alt text. Now I could move the video down the page a bit and put an optimized image near the top, but I don't want to do that, so I won't. Here's the alt text, install WordPress. Smushing is in progress. That's the automatic plugin process of Smush. Okay, let's check the SEO analysis again. It wants me to add another subheading. I'll add one for cPanel hosting right here. H3. And another down here for the actual settings in Installatron. H3. I also need an internal page link. Since I only have this one post for the time being, I can't link to a relative post, which is what I would normally do. I'll add a contact link instead. And we have green. Okay, we'll publish this, but I plan on adding more videos, so I want to backdate this post to the day I posted the video on YouTube, January 1st, 2022. So I'll use that for the publish date. You can set publish for future date to schedule it or backdate it for whatever reason. I also want to shorten the link here. That way when you share it on social media or an email or whatever, it's not such a long link. Okay. Publish. Now let's view the post. I have the Divi Global Post layout done to make all this faster. And I showed you how to do that in another video, which hopefully is displaying right about now. And we are done. Perfectly optimized. Questions? Let me know. God bless.